Gaelic, pronounced Gaelic, sunshine and scallops. What more could you want? We started our adventure by the sparkling waters of Kallin Harbour in Grimsby, where the sun danced on the waves. Next, we indulged in the freshest scallops and black pudding, a true taste of the Hebrides. A visit to the wool shed revealed beautiful yarns and exquisite knitwear, a feast for the eyes. Then, we made our way to the local whisky distillery, where we sniffed the making of whisky in the air, but remained sober, warming our spirits. We walked to the temple in Carinish and talked about the battle that took place here, now marked with a sign that says, "Ditch of Blood." The weather was amazing and the sights beautiful. The breathtaking view of Eabhal left us in awe, a moment to cherish. We wrapped up the day with laughter and cheers at the Westford Inn, celebrating a birthday in style. Hebridean magic awaits you on our islands.